Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a PSAT math question. This was question 19 from section 4, the calculator permitted math section, from the PSAT that was administered on Wednesday, November 2nd, 2016. Pause the video! No, seriously, pause the video. Why don't you try the question yourself, and then when you're done, you can unpause and watch the explanation. Compare, contrast, because we're getting in there. It reads, for which of the following data sets is the mean greater than the median? Well, let's be clear we know what those words mean before we go to the answer choices. The mean is the average of a set of data, meaning the sum divided by the number of numbers. The median, however, is the middle term in a set of data that is arranged from least to greatest. So how would it be possible for a mean to be greater than the median? Let's say three friends and I go to hang out with Jeff Bezos, have a boys' night, and we end up talking about how much money we make per day. And my friends and I all say something like, I don't know, $50. And then Jeff Bezos says, that's cool. I make $24 million a day. And we go, oh, that's, wow. Is it fun? And then we turn to, okay, well, what's our mean income? Well, that'd be $50 for the four of us, so 200 plus $24 million. If you divide that by 5, you're still going to make millions of dollars. So it would seem like the average income of Jeff, my friends, and me is somewhere in the millions of dollars. But then what if we took the median income? Well, you'd have these 50s, and then on the end, you would have $24 million. But the 24 million doesn't do much to change the median. The median would still be 50. If there are numbers in a data set that are way bigger than the other numbers, then they will affect the mean, but not really affect the median very much. So we're looking for a data set where the big numbers are really, really big. Bigger than the small numbers are small. Okay, let's go to the answer choices. A has all 5s. Looks kind of cool written out like that, but that's not what I'm looking for, so no. B has 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Well, they're all equally spaced out. So it's not like the big numbers there are huge. Let's go to the next one. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. Those numbers got big at the end there, right? So C seems like a pretty good choice. The middle number is going to be somewhere around 32 and 64, but 512 is way bigger than that. Okay. And then we look at D. 7, 107, 107, 207, 207, 207, 307, 307. It's the same kind of equal spacing thing. C had what we wanted, which was a number or two that was way bigger than all the others. Because that's going to bring up the mean, but not change the median very much. So the answer was C. Cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below. Or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful. The mean is the average of a set of data, which would be the... Hello, bug.